Hello friends, how are you? Friends, yesterday night, 1:59 a.m. Rather, it was only 31st of August because after 12 is the next day. So 31st August today only, 1:59 a.m. Knock, knock, knock. Look at me. Okay. I wake up and I find that video right in front of me, which is quantum reflex, right? Quantum reflex. I read that, and 2:55 I'm out of the phone, right? Of the phone reading, right? I mean, the experience is so wonderful. Like, we have had these kind of experiences earlier also, but we would like to focus on it, which is called quantum reflex. You can say that we are the portals of the energy manifestations, and that energy is one. It is Soham. Whatever is here also, and that you start operating from that. That is basically the video is about, that you are the portal of that energy, which is all over here, and from this portal it crosses and then it goes. There's no denying the fact that when you inhale, you take that vital force, you take that pran shakti, and out of that pran shakti gets turned into the sound, and then you talk about it, and the sound is now going back to the source, right? This is how the energy travels through us. And okay, when you inhale, but many people would wonder that why they're not able to operate from that portal, is because the body is not purified. When the body is purified with the exercises of yoga, with the exercises of pranayam, with the exercises of meditation, and when you start feeling your own contours, which we feel when we, when we play and play and play for some time, you'll feel that your solid body is not, you are not feeling, you are feeling the energy within you, which are, what is these are particles. So that when it comes to that level, we can say that quantum reflex could be much better, because now that your whole solid state of being, to the liquid state of being, to the gaseous state of being, to the particle state of being gets initiated. And like, there are many examples also. Now look at this. Ye kajal hai, right? So this I put in my eyes. But how in childhood our grandmother used to make kajal from the almonds. You see how does almond turns into carbon, and then we put that carbon in our eyes, right? So this is essence from the flowers. You can imagine the shape of the flowers, and how does this liquid state out of that flowers come, and then it contains the essence which was there in the flower. So we have already changed the energy, we have changed the particles in that form to these particles, right? So the particles, because these particles and these particles are ones, whichever shape it is, the original source of the particles can always permeate any form and take different forms, right? So now when I'm here, you can see that this thing, which is showing like the form of light, is also the same particles showing themselves differently. When I make my face, when I move my face like this, you can see that there are particles of light moving around. So likewise, quantum reflex, what we call in the western side, is nothing but pran shakti, vital force, which we call in the eastern side. And we say ki in everything that quanta is present, which is the cosmic energy, which is cosmic intelligence, which is universal intelligence. And needless to say, we initiate that with the help of, if we go to the level of worship, we initiate it with the help of mantra, which is Soham. Soham is that whatever you are, that is me also, right? So there are different ways of initiating the universe and you as unity. So we are all basically united with whatever is there. You call it material, you call it liquid. So I have water here, right? In the house you have everything. You have the light form, you have the liquid form, you have the solid form, and you have the gaseous form. Any kind of manifestation of energy that you first want to get connected to is already available to you. After that, what you make out of it is your choice, right? So whatever you do with your energies, where you put in your energies, but I'm going to put in my energy towards what I always want to do, and I'm doing even now. So that quantum reality is not fixed, it's not even liquid, it's not even gases, it is not even material. Quantum reality is everywhere. Any form and shape that you find is the manifestation of Pran Shakti or quantas only. And those quantas, when they descend in this form, they start talking about the unity of those quantas. Okay, so we are all one. Stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow, right? Because as always, you have to nourish yourself with that which will keep the system energized, happy, and healthy. And we've already talked of the movement. By sitting, if you keep sitting, it is like your energy becomes stagnant, and in sedentary life you can't have quantum reflex. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned and happy, healthy, and I thank whosoever has made this video on quantum reflex. It's really, really, really very energizing. Thank you so much. God bless you.